Very good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, based on the time zone at presently you are staying. So you know very well, I am Selva Krishnamurthy, your information technology teacher, who is sitting in front of you. First of all, I welcome all of you for our YouTube channel. This is Java Guide video lesson number 4. So, what we are going to study in this lesson? Very simple. In previous lesson, that is Java Guide video lesson number 3, we studied how to make one text to display in text field using setText. So setText is used to change the text at runtime. That is what we studied. In this lesson, we are going to study how to extract the text from one text field using getText. Don't forget, setText is used to change the text, to change the display text at runtime, whereas getText is used to extract the text from one control at runtime. Is it fine? Good. So as usual, I will share my screen. I hope my screen is visible to all. I like to open my PPT that is available under it is Java video lesson number 4. Java guide video lesson number 4. Good. Okay. So guide programming in Java. Java guide video lesson number 4. See it here. Before proceed to today's project, uses of jTextField and JLabel. First, already we studied text field can be used to accept input from the user. It is used to accept input from the user. It also used to display message in the form of output to the user. So text field can be used to accept input and display output to the user. You must confirm. Next one is label. Label is used to display simple text or it acts as a label for another control. So label is used to display text only or it can be act as a label for another control. How that we will see later. Okay. Set text already we studied. This text field and labels are comes under control. Set text is a method. Set text method is used to change the display text at runtime. That we've studied in previous class, lesson number 3. Get text method is used to retrieve the display text at runtime. So don't forget, this set text and get text are comes under method. Next one is editable property. Allows the user to change the text displayed in the control at runtime. So editable is a property. If it is set to true, you can change the text at runtime. If editable property is set to false, you cannot change the text in the control at runtime. True means it will allow the user to change the text. False means it won't allow. That you must understand. Text field, label, both are comes under control. Set text, get text, both are comes under method. But editable is a property. Is it fine? Good. Now, program to explain jTextField with getText. This is what our aim. First, we must understand what is the purpose of this program. Why we need this program. See, the purpose of this program is to accept the name of the user using one text field. and then display the personalized greeting message along with name of the user in another text field. That means we need two text fields. In text field 1, we need to type our name. In text field 2, we need to display our name, what we typed in text field 1, along with some greeting message. Is it fine? Good. Now see this one. That is, first we will see the output, then you can understand. See, this is text field 1. Here I need to type my name, Selva. If I click morning, this is my text field 2. Personalized greeting message needs to apply here, needs to display. That is good morning, Selva. If I type Sarika here, after typing Sarika here, once I click this button, morning button, good morning, Sarika needs to display. That means this is text field 1, text field 2. Similar way, if I click this button, evening, it should display good evening, Selva. Text field 1, text field 2. Is it fine? This is what I need to explain. The text field at top has to accept the name of the user and it is editable. See, here I can able to type, but here I should not type. Okay, that is why text field 1 is editable, text field 2 is non-editable. So the text field at the top has to accept the name of the user and it is editable. The text field at the bottom has to display the greeting along with the name, just like a good morning, Selva. And it is non-editable. Non-editable. That means I should not type the text here. It is fine. This is what our aim. See, this is the design view. My design view should contain jTextField1, jTextField2. jTextField1 should be editable, true. jTextField2 editable should be false. Is that fine? This is button 1, button 2, button 3, what we studied in previous program. This enter your name place. This is label. This is also the label. This is label 1. This is label 2. Okay, good. So label 1 and label 2 are used to just display purpose only. Not important to this one. So this is the source view. How to write the program? See, I will explain. This stop is J button 3. Very simple. If I click J button 3, the form needs to be closed. In previous 3 program we studied system.exit.0. System.exit.0. That is J button 3. Fine. If I click J button 1, that is morning, what you should know? So you should get the name or get the text available in jTextField 1. Fine. How we can use, how we can extract the text available in text field 1? Simple. Get text we have to use. See it here. jTextField1 dot get text. jTextField1 dot get text. It extract the name what we typed in jField1. In this case, Selva. Selva needs to be joined after good morning. This plus is used to join the two text. That means good morning is there within double quote that will display. Plus jTextField1 dot get text. This get text retrieve the text available in jTextField1. This good morning along with text available in jText1 will be displayed in jText2. That is why I put jTextField2 dot setText. Within open bracket, close bracket, within double quotes, good morning. Plus jTextField1 dot get text. This jTextField1 dot get text get or extract the text available in jTextField1. Then good morning plus the text available in jText1 will be joined. Both will be displayed in jTextField2. See it here. Here Selva is there. Once I click the morning, good morning Selva will be displayed. Same logic. If I click J button 2, that is evening, this coding need to execute. Good evening plus jTextField 1 dot get text. Okay. Plus this both are combined will be displayed in jText field of 2 here. If I click evening, good evening, Selva will be displayed as a personal message in text field 2. Is it fine? This is what our aim. Now, I will demonstrate the same program in front of you so that you can easily understand. I want to open Apache NetBeans as usual. Already no program is there. New project. I can give you a guide for. Don't forget to deselect, create main class as usual, finish. Here I want to insert one new frame, J frame form. I can give a form form 4. Whatever name you want, you can give it. That's not a problem. Good. First, I want to add one label. See, label is there. I want to click it here. Just make it somewhat bigger because enter your name, please. I need to type here. This font size I can take it as somewhat bigger as usual. 18. Then label need to change the label text. So this is enter your name, please. Please, that's fine. See it here. This one. Under this, I want to add one text field. This is text field 1. This one. Under this, I want to place somewhat big size. Good. Same thing, font size, I want to change as 18. Good. Here, text needs to be changed. Delete. Don't forget, this editable should be true. This for this property. Okay. So it's already taken. Tick mark means true. Okay, nothing to change. Leave it. Fine. Then under this, I need 3 buttons. Button 1, button 2, button 3. So I need to put button here. Here one button for morning. J button 1 for morning. As usual, make somewhat bigger size. Here it should be morning. One button finish. One more button I need. Here also this button number 2. The text should be changed as evening. Font size I want to make it as 80. J button 1, J button 2 finish. Now I want to proceed with J button 3 for stop. Good. Font size as usual 80. Okay. Now one more label to display your personalized wish for the day. The label I need here. Make it as a big size. The text needs to be your personalized message. Personalized wish of the day. We'll check. So it's fine. Size should be somewhat bigger. But I can give 80. Good. Under this, I need one more text field, that is text field 2. Make it as a big. This should be removed. Font size should be 18. But don't forget, this should be editable false. Remove the tick mark. Okay? That means you cannot type the control at runtime. So everything is fine. So design view is over. Now we need to worry about source view. That means if you click stop, that is J button 3, the form needs to be many times for the past 3 program we work this one. Same thing. System dot exit of 0. That's all very simple. This coding is over. Then morning. If I click J button 1, this is J button 1. If I click morning, the text available under jTextField field of 1 should be combined with good morning that should be displayed in jTextField field of 2. Okay? Here. That means jTextField field of 2 dot setText within bracket. First, good morning. Along with plus used to join jTextField 1 dot getText. Is it fine? That's all. Okay. So this jTextField 1 dot getText retrieves the name what we typed in jTextField 1. It joins at the end of good morning. That will be displayed in jTextField of 2. That's fine. No problem. jTextField 1. So then one more thing. Same thing we have to proceed with evening. That is J button 2. J text field of 2 dot set J text field 2 dot set text of good evening along with J text field 1 dot get text. That's all. Place one semicolon at the end. I think everything is fine. Nothing to worry. So far everything is good. Okay. So now I can save the program. Just run the program. We will first. We got the result. Okay. Now this is editable. This is not editable. Okay. Here I can type the text. Selva I type. If I click morning, that is J button 1. This text 2, text field of 2 should display good morning Selva. See it here. So it's fine. Without space it can. Better we can do one thing. Here we can give one small space. Good morning. After that one space. Here also good evening. After that one space. It will be very nice. See it here. It's done. It is there. I just click morning. But I didn't close it properly previously. Now I type Selva here. I am not giving space here. Click morning. You got good morning Selva. That's fine. Same thing. I'm clicking evening here. Good evening Selva. If you want other name, you can type it. Sarika I gave. Good morning Sarika. Good evening Sarika. So both the buttons are working. Third one is stop. If you click the stop, the current working form will be closed. Is it fine? That's a very simple. Now come to our PPT. This is the time for recap. This is output, we got it. While clicking morning, I get good morning, Selva. While clicking evening, I can get good evening, Selva, that we saw. Recap. Text field can be used to accept input from the user and display the message to the user. First one. Next one is label is used to display simple text or as a label for another control. setText method is used to change the display text at runtime. getText method is used to retrieve the display text at runtime. Editable property allows the user to change the text displayed in the control at runtime. Is it fine? Good. Now, question bank. Still, if you have the doubt, rewind the video, play once again and listen, and then try to answer the question. Question number 1. Dash can be used to accept input from the user and display a message to the user. Can you tell the answer? Yes, you are right. Text field can be used to accept input from the user and display a message to the user. Try out this question number 2. Dash is used to display simple text or act as a label for another control. Yeah, you are right. Label. Label is used to display simple text or as a label for another control. Try for third one. Dash method is used to change display text at runtime. What method? We saw two methods. One is setText, another one is getText. What is correct? Yeah, you are right. setText method used to change the display text at runtime. Fourth one, dash method is used to retrieve the display text at runtime. You are right. Very good. getText. Last one, fifth one. Dash property allows user to change the text displayed in the control at runtime. We studied only one property in this lesson. What is this? That is editable. Very good, very good. Editable property allows the user to change the text displayed in the control at runtime. Very good. Now we reach the end of the lesson. I hope all of you enjoy this class very well. In next session, we'll study something more. Until then, thank you, students. Have a nice good day. Bye bye.